Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Ruth and Tam Philippine Adventure. I had a video here on my updates of my orchids. Um, the last video I make for my orchids is about the Dendrobium. It was 1 year ago, I think, and it has 23k views now. So I think have to give another updates or another tips on orchids, how to save your dying orchids. But before that one, I will show you what are those trending plants that all the mommies out there are very busy collecting, and they're doing on Facebook also by doing a barter, a flower pot of this kind of plants, barter with the barter means exchange on the grocery item, like one pot of um, a flower changed to one pack of milk, like that. So I will show you some of the flowers that they are doing barter on Facebook. So this is some of the flowers that they're collecting. Oh, this is not a flower, this is not giving flowers, this is an indoor plants that they are collecting it on Facebook. Whatever kind of indoor and outdoor plants you had, if they like it, or either which one you want to exchange with the grocery, you can exchange. It depends on the variety of your flower, or uh, the value of that flower, including the flower pot. So I had some of this collection here, but I did not join the barter community there on Facebook. I just show, and I'm just showing some of this, like this. It's a snake plant and also bougainvillea. They will start collecting it on Facebook. Some are like this kind of plants, as what they said on a Chinese page. I saw that this has a lot of benefits, health benefits on this one, and is all this kind of uh, flower or indoor plants that are this one is a little bit expensive this time, and this is red lips, as what they said, but I don't know the name of this one. And there are lots of variety. This one, this is red color of the leaves, and some of these are yellow and green with pink. So on this indoor plants I had, someone in the church gave this to me, and I just put in the pot and taking care of it, water it every day. And of course they had nice and very attractive leaves now. So this is some kind of the plants, indoor plants, that they are doing exchange, and they're very trending now on Facebook. I don't really know the real or exact name of this one, but this has a red color on the side. This is what it says. The benefits of this one is it can prevent the radiation from the Wi-Fi or from the like the 4G, like that, on electronics or either internet connection. So this kind, I just mix this in the pot, the pink one and the green one, but it's become like is a crossbred. So this one is a little bit new. This is the part of this family of this kind of plants, but I'm not I didn't know the name. And of course, in the bottom of all these plants is my tomato. So not only flower that I'm taking care of, so also my garden and all my veggies. So all this one I just show because I love gardening and I want to seem like beautification for the house. And this is the Pitonia, which is they're selling expensive too this time. It's 250 pesos per pot if you have flowers already. And this kinds of like this, they're selling 250 per pot. It depends on the how many they call this what it's called, how many inside the pot. So it depends on this one. And also the cactus, they're also collecting this one. So we're here, we back on the Dendrobium orchids. This Dendrobium, I collect this, I bought this in Cagayan de Oro when it 2017. So I started collecting this one when we had already a house because it's so this one, the one I'm holding, I thought that it will die already, so I just got it. Actually this is from on this mother plant here. So before, this is the one that has gave a very nice flower like this. So since this is no leaves already, so I decided to cut it since it's still fresh, the stem, and I just put it here. After a week, I just keep watering and keep taking care every day all the time. And also this one, this is together with this mother plant here. So these two together, so I just cut it off on the mother plant and I just put it like this. So after how many weeks has grown already the news like this. So when you have dendrobium like that, did you think that no leaves already and you think it's already dying? But it's not. They still have like spike growing on this side, same like this. The spike is either they will use like spike or leaves, or it will be going to be a flower. So same like this, it's very dry already on the end of that one, but still have kikis here, or like new growing on this side. So when you have dendrobium like this, don't throw away all the kind of, yeah, unless it's very dry already. So it still has green color, a little bit fresh, just put on the shade area or just hang it, clip the roots on the top and top to bottom. So just flip and water it every day. You still have a new grown dendrobium. So this is only the way I sustain all my dendrobium, that the mother is dying already but you still have new grown here. So once you have like this dendrobium that did you think that it will die already, but don't throw away, because they will still give you seedlings new like that. So that's all guys, thank you for watching and don't forget to hit likes and comment down. God bless.